I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering every file into a single folder and making a quick backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, identify the current extension you want to replace and the new extension you need. Make sure to choose the method you'll use: graphical batch rename for a few files, PowerShell or Terminal for automation, or a dedicated batch tool for complex patterns. You will now execute the first actionable step for your chosen method. If you use PowerShell, run a filtered getChild item and pipe to rename item with a replace pattern. This changes only matching extensions. On macOS or Linux, use a for loop or the rename utility with a regular expression to transform each file name. This is efficient for thousands of files. For GUI tools, select all files, invoke rename, and confirm the extension change in the preview. Make sure to test on a small sample. After renaming, open several files to verify they behave correctly. This confirms both extension and internal format match. If you find mistakes, restore from your backup or run a reverse rename using the inverse pattern immediately. Make sure to check permissions and run the command as admin if files failed to change. If extensions still look wrong, refine your regular expression or selection criteria and repeat on a test subset before applying globally. This prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.